So for today's video, we will be doing the manual boundary plotter, Rory VF, manifold and sketch plan preparation. So right now we will be doing the manual boundary plotter, and here it is, and we will be preparing the technical description of V dash, siya, ano siya. Then our grid for the reference of northwest and southwest or corresponding number of the direction. So by start, we will be cross-reference the northeast in here. So since nakabutang man dahil kay ang northeast is 9, we will be inputting it in our manual boundary plotter and in here. Then under it, we will be putting the bearing, which is the 64-45. But take note, we will not be putting the dash or even the decimal point in here. So 64-45. So under it again, we will be putting the of the distance of the land, which is the or a line, which is the 22147. And again, we won't be putting the decimal point of the distance, which is 22147. So here it is, and well, down here I already put the other numbers in, just that we were just explaining how how we will be doing the manual boundary plotting. So for the Rory VF, we will just about this, and this is our coordinates of that area. So copy paste or select all lang siya, then copy paste, like copy, and okay. Then after that, we will be going to the AutoCAD. So we will be typing the command. Just type the PL for polyline or pline, then enter, then CTRLV or paste. So after that, we will be just if yung nangyari siya, then ang tuplo ko na to is the S key for cancellation. Then just tap the zoom extent for or para makita na nato ang atong gi-plot. So here is our area. So naka-triangular siya. Makita ra po siya sa kuan nga triangle po siya sa B-37. So to continue our area, we will be then going to the AutoCAD, and here we will be commanding the command bar, and which is the TD, and select the first point of our area and then the second in counterclockwise till we can get to the last point of our area. So here it is, then yes, and for then again, so here is our bearing in distance. Then again, we will then put again yes for our technical description. So here it is, and after that, we will be then going to the manifold, to our manifold, to process our area. And so file, then go to our file and select the map projection, which is, and we will be then selecting the Hingoog FTS. Then after that, we will then select the map of our Hingoog, then double click it. So here is our map of our Hingoogs in Zoom. So we will be then putting the link and create an image of our, and then select this and enter. So double click again, and here is our map of the Hingoog, or the whole. I think we made a mistake there. and so I will delete it again. So again, here the reload map of here is the reload map of the satellite in the Hingoog, and we will then zoom out so we could be able to see the whole land when we reload the map again. And right now link and the JPEG, and then select the satellite again, and right now we will then load and okay. So we will be waiting again for a bit, then after that then again select, I double click the 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 Earth satellite image. So after that, zoom out or zoom in or go to the area of the USTP, and then and we will then draw a approximate area of the USTP, and here it is, just so we can enclose the USTP boundary. But right now this is enough, and after that we will then go to the view and click the star. Makita ra siya dali. Oh, sorry. Then click the we will then click the or copy paste or map, and then go to we will I'm sorry na it's redundant para ito nga area, and then right now we will be pasting the new one, and just input your name of the file, and again go to the then we will be finding our file as then, and so here after that now we already saved our plan. Then right now we will be copying this area of interest or a boundary of technical description to put it in manifold. So sorry for the noise, and turada na itong approximate area dito gilina, and we will be saving it again. Sorry for then, so now is the and we will be again finding it again, the area of interest or approximate for to enclose segment of our boundary, and ato na siyang i-copy paste, center gid siya para dali ra siya makita. Then go to the file, then save kay para ma-transfer na to siya sa manifold. Siya. Sorry kayo na wala o gamay dito. Then we will just find the file and upload it directly. Then ato ra din siya makita, and makita ra siya dito sa pag-load. So pag-click ana mo gawas ra atong area. Sorry, di siya makita. I think nasa taas kayo. Okay, then ato ra siyang i-move to, then we will be then finding area of interest sa USTP, and
di ka siya klaro. So actually one, sorry kayo like, then move it sa atong desirable position na trash. So wait lang, sa ako na siyang i-delete. I mean, sorry, ang component name. Then USTP kayo. Ano mo siya sa USTP? Sorry, ako na siyang i-delete. So, then create legend ay layout, sorry, siya makita. Then we will be adding here, we will be using the view and the star, and to add another for scale na to nga kuan, then which is the 5,000. Okay, 1 is to 5,000, 5,000 which atong pilion. Then siyang then we will be selecting our interest, kaya ito na siyang but nga og legend, graticular grid, and other, I mean i-landscape sa din to siya. Then i-add din na to, mag-add din the grid legend graticule and other things pa para makuha na to ang map. We must be remember pag set din ito sa ato ang mapa, ito na siya pakita dari ato siyang i-show ang mga graticule, and ato siyang i-edit. Ang kanin siya kay 4.6 and under it ay 4.4 ay 0.4 ang decimal, and under it is also 0.4. Then atong second is 4.425, and I keep promise 4.425 and 0.4 0.6 something, then like that. Ito rin siyang ikuhan. Then kani is if 6 lang to siya, or 4 okay, 425. pa kayo. So again, tura din na to siyang ang another map na to siya and may view, and then select na to ang 10,000 dari individual diba. Then ato siyang inan ni siya tanan, hide and none. Ano siya ba? So ato siya i-save gayon, save ko siya gayon, but we will be again doing back to the AutoCAD. Pero ato sana siyang i-edit a few tricks lang para maka-go na tag AutoCAD and go to SketchUp na diba, ay sketch plan pala, sorry. So kaya na siya, para siyang i-save and dito na siya into high. Then after that, naroon to atong save natin siya in image and PDF or JPEG as JPEG. And dito sa CAD, mag-select tayo template for sketch plan pala, template of sketch plan. Ito na siyang ignore lang nato siya, okay, walang yapon siya. Then I'm sorry guys, ako ra din siyang i-edit ang vicinity map, atong viewport. Okay, dili man siya kaniya to ang mga map, kaniya to ang view map, few tricks ra na kung ano bigyan ka sa ato ra na siya ibang delete, i-cleared lang nato siya kay para makabuhat na taon niya. So so i-copy ra din nato ni siya ng mga line, i-trace na to. I-trace ra to siyang line dari sa until ma-complete ra to tanan diha. So select lang to siya and copy paste, then paste lang to siya dari sa atong vicinity. Bay lang siya sa dollar lang siya sa vicinity kay na ato ang model or ang kwan sa viewport. Then copy ra po na to ang technical description, ipuli ra na to siya aning or copy paste i-paste na to siya una, and then delete sa lang na to ning daan na technical description na. Then after deleting that die, i-consider to ang viewport sa atong main map or atong main area, which is katong atong gibuhat or atong rag triangle dinina. Ato siyang i-edit ato ang viewport, and ato na siyang pwede na tatong pilian ang zoom spacebar, extend spacebar para moditsura siya o automatic nga makita ato ang map. Pero ato na siyang i-zoom in sa ato ang napili gid siya atong napili nga map or atong napili nga area dai. Sorry. And then ato day siyang i-scale sa day ang technical description para mo fit siya dari sa ato ang sketch plan. And ato lang gid siyang pagamay lang gid or basta lang gid siya maigo siya sa kuha. And of course makita po siya sa ato ang sketch plan. Then i-move po din nato siya after nato siya pag scale, i-move din nato siya sa inside our template. And don't forget your vicinity map there. See? Vicinity map. Then after that, manalid ka. Then after that, makakuha na din nato siyang and that's all. So thank you for having or thank you for listening to tutorial sa atong pagbuhat ng manual boundary Rory VF and manifold and the sketch plan making. Thank you and God bless.